Hello, welcome to Water Sign Philippines. So, reading po ito for Water Sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Let's start your reading. Sa mga hindi pa nakaka-subscribe sa ating channel, pahit na ng subscribe button, notification bell. Ma-appreciate ko lahat ng likes, comments, and shares. Okay, let's start your reading, Water Sign. Actually, i-divide ko itong reading na ito into 3, which is tignan mo na lang kung alin dyan sa description box yung iyong sign, which is Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Okay? So, di-divide ko siya sa 3. Isusulat ko lang guys ha. But anyway, para mas mapabilis ka, pumunta ka na lang dyan sa description box and tignan mo yung pinaka-zodiac sign mo. Okay? Sinusulat ko lang guys. So, magsimula tayo sa Cancer. Okay, so this is for the sign of Cancer. Messages para sa mga sign ng Cancer. For the sign of Cancer, please. Spirit guides, angel guides for the sign of Cancer. You do have here the Six of Swords. So, something here na nangyayari ngayon sa buhay mo ang kailangan mo mag-move on. Yeah, especially with the Tower moment. Maybe may mga endings na nangyayari ngayon. Some of you, nalulungkot ka, nasasaktan ka. And yeah, there's a lot of ending right here with the Ten of Swords. Nakikita natin yung kalungkutan na nararamdaman mo ngayon. Maybe you still miss someone that you really do love with the King of Cups. Yeah, this could be an ending with regards to love, or maybe just a person na nakikita natin na pwedeng minsan ng priority mo. Okay? So, nakikita natin yung ending sa inyo. Sobrang sakit para sa'yo. Kasi bakit? Kasi minahal mo tong taong to eh. Minahal mo to, binigyan mo ng importansya, priority mo. And then, kung naman yung ending na nangyayari para sa inyo ngayon, masakit para sa'yo. You really feel lonely, cold. Alam mo kasi, ikaw yung tipo ng tao na expressive ka pagdating sa emotions mo. You really do express. Kung galit ka, sasabihin mo yun. Ipapakita mo yun sa mga tao sa paligid mo na galit ka. Malungkot ka, as much as possible. Pagdating sa kalungkutan, ayaw mong sabihin eh. Bagkos, makikita or mararamdaman ng mga tao sa paligid mo. Pwedeng nasasabi mo ito, pero hindi nila maintindihan because they are actually more used or more sanay sila sa kaugalian mo na madalang ka namang malungkot. Diba? Parang kaya mo yan. Parang ganun. They don't give I don't wanna say bad words, no? Ayaw nila magbigay ng care regarding it. Wala silang pakialam, sabihin na natin ganun. Sa kung ano nararamdaman mo pagdating sa kalungkutan. Kasi parang, maybe they feel like you are just being dramatic, wala lang yan, hindi yan, hindi totoo yan. Ganun. Hindi sila naniniwala sa emotions mo. But, you're really sad. You're really not okay right now. Sometimes, nakikita natin na umiiyak ka, and bigla ka na lang mapapaluha, and ayaw mo yun, actually, ayaw mo yun. But, nakikita natin yung acceptance mo towards this ending, towards this bagay na nangyayari sa'yo ngayon. Parang, itong sitwasyon na ito might be maraming nawala, hindi lang isa. So, masakit para sa'yo. Okay? So, what will happen in the near future for you? In the near future for you, Cancer. In the near future for Cancer, you do have the Ace of Wands. Of course, after the ending, there's a new beginning with the Ace of Wands. Tell me more. A Three of Swords and the King of Cups. Okay. Tell me about this. Knight of Pentacles. I see someone coming back, or a situation is nakita tayo ng mga bagong offer kasi sa'yo na maybe yung iba tinanggap, yung iba pwedeng iniisip pa lang pero mas more on tatanggapin. Nakakita tayo dito ng pwedeng yung iba tinanggap na, kaya nga ito maaaring ito na yung naging dahilan kung bakit nagkakaroon ng ending. So yun yung nakikita natin. Whatever the case is, nakikita natin nasasaktan ka. No? Pero nakikita natin na tinatanggap mo kung ano man itong new beginning na ito. Tatanggapin pa lang, tinanggap na ng iba, yung iba mas lamang yung tatanggapin. Okay? Ganun yung energy. And tell me more about this, please, for the sign of Cancer. Page of Wands is here. The Five of Cups. Five of Pentacles. Knight of Cups. Page of Swords. Nakakita tayo ng dalawang page. Actually, the page is here. Page of Swords and Page of Wands. Tapos dalawang Knight, which is the Knight of Cups and the Knight of Pentacles. The Hangman is here. So, it's like a message for you to wait. Huwag masyado magpadalos-dalos. You have to focus on what is really making you happy with the Sun. Ano ba talaga nakakapagpasaya sa'yo? Kasi regarding dito sa bagay nito, nakakita tayo dito ng kung masasaktan ka, masyado ka kasi nagpadalos-dalos sa desisyon, sa action, sa pagtanggap ng kung ano man itong tatanggapin. And kailangan mong maglaylo. For what I can see here with a Page of Swords and a Page of Wands, this is the energy of being like a teenager. Hindi ko sinasabi yun sa edad ha, pero yung mindset, parang being a teenager, yung parang masyadong padalos-talos, no? With the Knight of Pentacles and the Knight of Cups, this is an energy of sa lahat ng Knights, no? Sa lahat ng Knights. Itong dalawang Knights na ito, nagpapakita ng mabagal na energy. So, ibig sabihin lang, huwag kang magpadalos-dalos, lalo na sa paggawa mo ng desisyon. Dahil ang ending niyan, pwedeng, or action, dahil ang ending niyan, pwedeng ikaw lang din ang masaktan. Kung nangyari na itong pag-take or pagkuha nitong bagay na ito or pag-accept nitong offer na ito or whatever, nakakita tayo ng some kind of losses or pagkawala ng something na very important para sa'yo. Ano ba talagang importante para sa'yo? I can see family, memories, a lot of that. Parang maglalaho, parang bula. So, tell me more. You do have the Queen of Wands, the Sun, and the Ten of Swords. So, and the Empress is here. The Hierophant is here. Okay. So actually, regarding this new beginning, I don't know. For what I can see here, you're choosing yourself in the near future. You're choosing your whatever thing na tingin mo mas makakabuti para sa'yo. With the Empress, this is you choosing yourself. You're not choosing anyone, you're choosing yourself. And there's a lot of advice for you. So, nasa sa'yo yun kung ano yung tatanggapin mong advice. Still, this is your future. So, kung ano yung magiging actions mo, nasa sa'yo yun. But, yeah. Wala akong nakikitang advice actually. Wala akong nakikitang advice. Kasi ang advice na nakikita natin dito is kung ano yung tingin mo. I can see a person who would help you na sabihin sa'yo ang pros and cons, diba? Pwede may taong makakausap ka and then this person will try na uplift ang spirit mo, pasayahin ka or what, or make you feel na maging komportable ka sa kung ano yung magiging desisyon mo. Ayan, may taong nakasuporta naman sa'yo. But all in all, nakikita natin, you're loving yourself. No? You're choosing yourself. Okay. Now, this is for the sign of Scorpio. Scorpio. Wait lang guys, isulat ko lang ha. Sulat ko lang yung time. So, this is for the sign of Scorpio, 10:08. Yan yung ating time for Scorpio. Hello, welcome Scorpio. Ayan, sinulat ko lang yung time mo doon sa aking sulatan para pag in-upload na, madali na This is for the sign of Scorpio. Messages for the sign of Scorpio, please. Spirit guides, angel guides. Please to subscribe to our channel, guys. Please help our channel grow. Ayan, nakakamoy ako ng pandesal. You could be eating pandesal right now. Pandesal or, tinapay, ganon. Buns. For the sign of Scorpio, please. For the sign of Scorpio. One last shuffle. Thank you, Spirit guides, angel guides. Messages for Scorpio. Let's start your reading. Hello, Scorpio. Meron tayong dito ng Libra. I don't know. You could be, you could have a Libra in your chart, or you could be dealing with the Libra. The Empress is here. Oh, dalawang major arcana na yan. Oh, tatlong major arcana with the Moon. You could be a very spiritual person. Two of Wands is here. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, energy, Pisces. Three of Swords. Why are you sad? Yung iba sad kasi parang walang growth na nangyayari sa'yo ngayon or sa person around you. You feel like parang ang dami mong obligasyon, and then may mga tao sa paligid mo na parang feeling mo hindi sila nakakatulong, or feeling mo maybe hindi naman sa hindi nakakatulong, but rather hindi masyado nagwo-work out para sa kanya or sa kanila. And then nakikita natin with the Empress, I feel like this is the person, pwedeng nandun pa rin yung binibigay mo dito sa taong to, or sa mga taong to, yung mga bagay na kailangan nila, makakapagpasaya sa kanila, whatever makes these people happy, bigay lang ng bigay. Kasi maybe these people are importante para sa'yo, no? Yung iba family, or kasama sa bahay, with the Two of Wands, I see that you do have a plan, pero hindi mo pursige, or hindi mo ma-push itong planong ito, especially with the Moon card here. Hindi mo may sa katuparan. And with the Justice card, I feel like pagdating sa career, you are a person na pwedeng hindi ko nakikitang nawawalan laging meron opportunities, etc. Parang kaakibat mo na yan na kumbaga kung ikukumpara mo yung sarili mo doon sa mga tao, or mga kakilala mo nung college, nung high school, mga kakilala mo, peers, medyo kahit papano iba ka sa kanila, medyo mas magaan ang daloy ng opportunities para sa'yo. So, nakikita natin yung ganun. But, yun nga, pagdating sa mga tao sa paligid mo, doon ka lang nagkakaroon ng problema, because there's this person, I can see new beginning dito sa person na ito, but the problem is parang hindi masyadong gusto itong new beginning. So maybe may mga offers, and nakikita natin na nagiging vocal or nagiging open naman itong mga taong ito sa'yo regarding kung bakit hindi na i-accept si offer, or kung bakit hindi nangyayari itong new beginnings na ito. Tell me more for the sign of Scorpio, please. I don't know kung makaka-relate ka dito, guys, but I'll tell you what, hindi ito personal reading, so wag mong kunin kung hindi ka nakaka-relate. Huwag mong pilitin sarili mo. Knight of Wands is here. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, the Magician, and the Six of Swords. Scorpio, I feel like some of you need to move on. Some of you need to move on. Ayan. Or kung itong taong ito nakasama mo, this person needs to move on. Kung naman yung mga nawala sa kanya. And then I can see that hindi niya kasi I mean, you're doing all the work. Pero hindi nila nakikita yung mga bagay na pwede nila sanang gamitin. Maybe yung skills nila, talents nila, or maybe yung mga bagay na magagamit nila itong kanilang talents or skills ay wala sa place kung nasaan kayo ngayon. Ayan. Maybe kailangan mag-travel ng person na ito to have that kind of growth, no? Kaya lang hinahayaan niya kasi or hinahayaan kasi nila na ikaw ang magdesisyon, ikaw ang gumawa ng gumawa. So, the Ace of Cups is here. I can see possible offer with the Page of Swords and the Page of Wands, and I can see offer na pwedeng I can see emails or messages na pwedeng itong offer na ito kailangan pag-usapan with the Judgment, with the Page of Cups, yeah. And I can see a lot of them with the Nine of Cups actually. Pero yung person na ito I feel like with the Temperance hindi siya masyadong nagpapatalos-talos, like taking his or her time, di ba? And nakikita natin that malaking factor yung mga advices mo para sa taong ito with the Hermit para makapag-isip. But the problem din naman din sa person nito is that he or she is not getting out of her or his comfort zone. Hindi siya umaalis sa kanyang comfort zone. So, ang tendency, sa halip na siya ay mag-take ng risk or gawain kung ano man ito, no? With the Six of Cups, these are like offers. These are big offers actually. With the King of Cups, kailangan niya kasing tanggapin eh. Kailangan niyang i-analyze mabuti. And then, with the Five of Pentacles, nakita tayo dito ng possible money problem. But with the Ten of Cups, I can see happiness. Although there's problem financially, nakita tayo ng happiness. Pero yun nga, kailangan niyang umalis sa kanyang comfort zone. Maybe kailangan niya mag-travel, maybe kailangan niyang i-accept yung isa dun sa offer, and have this courage with the Strength card. Kasi nakakita tayo dito ng tulong eh. And nakikita natin, ang tulong muna na ito ay magsisimula sa sarili niya. No? You are there as an advisor, and itong person na ito will listen to you. Maniniwala siya sa kung ano yung sasabihin mo. Okay? So, malaki pa rin yung gagampanan mo dito. It is to help this person decide sa kung ano yung dapat niyang i-take or anong kunin niyang offer para sa kanya. And more or less, ang reading na ito is more on money. I don't know. I can see happiness naman kasi that overall. So, let's move on to Pisces. Wait lang, guys. For Pisces, this is 18, the time is 18:11. Ayan, 18:11. This is for the sign of Pisces. Hello guys. Ayan. Welcome Pisces, ano? Sa mga hindi pa nakaka-subscribe, pasuyo na lang, pa-subscribe, pa-hit ng notification bell, pa-comment sa baba, kahit po heart lang, smiley. Start na natin ang reading, Pisces. For the sign of Pisces, please, huwag pilitin kung hindi nakaka-relate. Huwag pilitin kung hindi nakaka-relate. What is the messages for Pisces? Nakakaamoy ako na sunog. So, I don't know kung may nasunog ba na something or what. Okay. One last shuffle for the sign of Pisces. Thank you, Spirit guys. Thank you, Angel guys. Let's start your reading, Pisces. Okay. Pisces, you do have here the Seven of Cups, the Three of Swords, the Page of Cups, and the Fool. Okay. Someone is missing you right now. Sobrang namimiss ka nitong taon. Nasasaktan siya, guys. With the Seven of Cups, this person is thinking about material things. Pero ang problem sa kanya with the Fool is that masyado siya nagdi-dream lang eh. Masyado siya nagdi-dream. I feel like this person is not taking any actions. Okay? This person is manifesting you, thinking about you. This person is broken-hearted, nasasaktan siya kasi might be wala ka nang pakialam sa kanya, or you are like this person na parang Mas nakakonsentrate ka na lang sa mga, sa mga bagay na gusto mo, pagta-travel, material things, you know what I mean? So, the person na to with yung iba sa inyo, don't take the pagta-travel if hindi ka naman nagta-travel, kunin mo lang yung magre-resonate ka. But, yun nga, with this person's energy, with the Page of Cups, nakikita natin, gusto ka niya makausap. Pero, I feel like hindi kayo magkakaintindihan. This person wants a one-on-one talk with you ng personal. Ayaw niya ng through chat, ayaw niya ng through call. This past person wants to, alam mo kasi, hindi kasi siya nakikinig. The problem with this person is hindi siya nakikinig sa'yo in the past. Hindi siya nakikinig. Take siya ng risk in the past. And then, maybe nagtitake siya ng risk or maybe may mga ginagawa siyang ibang bagay na against sa paniniwala mo or against sa advice mo sa kanya. So, the problem is that nagkakaroon siya ngayon ng stressful energy, problema, dilemma, etc. This person is causing a lot of heartaches, hindi lang dahil sa'yo, no? Pero kasi may mga challenges din na nangyayari sa buhay niya ngayon. Medyo nahihirapan siya. I feel like itong mga new beginnings na nangyayari para sa kanya is both masaya, both positive and negative. Lalo na doon sa negative in a way na kasi sa pagdating sa pagdedesisyon. Hindi siya masyadong nagko-consider ng kung ano yung sasabihin ng iba eh. Ibig sabihin, hindi lang ikaw ang hindi niya pinapakinggan, kaibigan niya, pamilya niya, etc. Basta lang siya nagdidesisyon pag feel niya na yun ang kailangan gawing desisyon. Ayan, nakakita tayo ng person na padalos-dalos. So anyway, this person's really missing you, Nami-miss ka talaga ng person nito. But let me ask, anong emotions nitong person nito towards you? For the sign of Pisces, please. What is this person's emotions towards you? For the sign of Pisces, please summarize the Venus, Jupiter, Pisces. Ayan, nagpakita na naman si Nine of Swords, diba? One last card. Yeah, this person with the Nine of Swords and Nine of Swords energy. This person is sobrang broken-hearted. Nasasaktan siya. This past person, yeah, the Two of Cups is here. Maybe you are in a relationship. Maybe he or she is in a relationship. But etong another relationship na ito, nagiging dahilan kung bakit hindi niya mailabas yung emotions niya towards you. This person is currently stuck. Okay? Whether siya yung nasa isang relasyon or ikaw, kung stuck siya sa emotion niya, hindi niya yun may open sa'yo. This person is being the magician. The magician is someone na hindi maipakita kung ano yung totoo. This person is, katulad ng isang magikero, diba? Full of trickery. Iba yung pinapakita sa kung ano yung totoo. Diba? Parang ang dami niyang itinatago. And then this magician, this is your person. This person is being the devil. Sinungaling. So, I feel like being sinungaling kasi, hindi niya sasabihin ang totoo hanggat hindi nagkakaroon ng pagbabago. This person with the world is nakikita natin na medyo nahihirapan siya, Nahihirapan siya una sa lahat, nahihiya siya ilaban ang connection or ang maybe ang relasyon or ang pagmamahal niya sa'yo, because with the Justice card, especially if there's marriage na involved, and yung reality check lang, hindi niya kayang iharap ngayon ang sarili niya. So, sa totoo lang, with the Four of Swords, hindi niya kayang i-open up sa'yo kung ano nararamdaman niya, kasi deep inside ng person na ito, with Five of Swords, is like a loser. Feeling niya loser siya. So, hindi niya kayang humarap. Hindi niya kayang i-open up ang feelings niya sa'yo. Kasi, while you are having victory, etong person na ito, feeling niya, I'm being a loser. Hindi ako pwedeng humarap sa'yo na loser ako. So, anyway, that's it for now. Thank you for watching, guys. I love you all. Please do like and subscribe to our channel, Unicorn Princess Tarot, Madam P TV, Virgo Philippines, Tapitapon TV, Water Sign Philippines, Madam P Vlogs, Libra Philippines. I love you all, guys. Thank you for watching, and bye-bye.